How is multiplying rational numbers like multiplying integers? Think about this question during the lesson. Two hikers, Ben and Petra, descend from the summit of a mountain. Ben's change in elevation is -1 2/10 meters. Petra's change in elevation is 3.5 times as great as Ben's change in elevation. What is Petra's change in elevation? You can use a number line to represent Petra's change in elevation. What does the 0 on the number line represent? What about 3 5/10 and -1 2/10? 0 represents the summit of the mountain. 3 5/10 represents how many times as far Petra descended as Ben did. -1 2/10 represents how far Ben has descended. How are 3 5/10 and -1 2/10 represented on the number line? Represent both numbers on the number line. -1 2/10 is the change in Ben's elevation. Petra's elevation change is 3 5/10 as great as Ben's. That means we can count 3.5 groups of -1 2/10 for Petra's change. Petra's change in elevation is -4 2/10 meters. Which expression is equal to -4 2/10?
Select your answer.
Now write an expression to represent the situation. 3 5/10 times -1 2/10 equals -4 2/10. Petra's change in elevation is -4 2/10 meters.